for the slots that we have available all the way through until the 2nd of October. I was going to say 2 p.m., but no, it's going to be sort of like day long, all the way through to the 2nd of October. But aside from that, we've still got plenty of activities happening today. You can go and check out the simulator, take a closer look. We've got our IWC Schaffhausen watches that you can explore as well. And of course, the beautiful Mercedes AMG GT3 on standby right here in the middle of the atrium, which allows you to get up close and personal with this beautiful racing car. And I'm about to chat with the man who owns this car. So if you're around, come on down and join us as we have a quick chat with Daryl Young. Daryl, how are you? I'm just going to, yes, you're on now. There we go. How are you?
Hi, I'm good, thank you.
How's Singapore treating you? Because you're based out of Hong Kong. You're doing some stuff prior to this event as well. But how's Singapore treating you?
I haven't got to Singapore in a while.
Not many people have.
We actually made the trip here quite early because I was practicing with this car actually in Malaysia just 2 weeks ago. So we got the car all set up and ready for the I guess Singapore Grand Prix. So we came in actually. We didn't go back to Hong Kong, we just came straight to Singapore and we've been here for just 10 days or so.
Well, I guess the progression down south just makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah, I love it. It's just coming back in Singapore and seeing, everything is really back to normal here and it's fantastic.
It really is. Things have opened up in the last month or so, which enables us to do so much more, which is why we're able to have this event here today. I think it's really nice to be able to see visitors coming in. Obviously, with the return of Formula One here in Singapore, everyone's hyped up, everyone's talking about the cars, everyone's talking about the drivers and the buzz that goes around it. And I have to say, it is quite infectious. So let's just explain a little bit more about you. I won't mention how many years of experience.
Last time we raced,
For sure.
yeah, I remember the feeling like it was yesterday. I'm just like so excited to be back in the car. Our practice starts on Friday. This Friday.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's going to be my first time with AMG for the first